Hi, I'm Dave McSpadden, President of RTC Missions Incorporated, a U.S.-based nonprofit organization. But our story actually began in 2014 when a Kenyan civil engineer named Sam Otieno decided to help friends and family with purchase of Kenyan government health insurance cards. RTC stands for Righteousness Through Christ. When the number of cards grew past what he could afford, he decided to build a small medical clinic to provide those healthcare services to his village there in East Africa. So the RTC Medical Center began in 2016 in Homa Bay County. The beginning was very modest in 2016 with this maternity ward. Labor and recovery was the grass outside of the shack. But by 2021, the RTC Medical Center was a Level 3 hospital with a 10-building campus. In December 2021, Sam visited a Rotary Club meeting in Waxahachie, Texas, and that's when I met Sam. Having made Rotary International mission trips to Malawi and Zambia, Africa, I was attracted to Sam's RTC work. So we formed a U.S. 501c3 nonprofit called RTC Missions Incorporated and started with our new board of me, Sam, and Scott Brooks. Next, I went to Kenya with Sam to learn more of their needs. But we discovered this couple had just lost their first baby due to a lack of an ultrasound machine. And because we witnessed this tragedy, we launched a Facebook campaign and raised $6,700 for a new machine. And now all pregnant women who come for prenatal services can get ultrasound. You know, most patients back then came by foot, either motorbike or a wheelbarrow. When I saw this, I knew there was a need for an ambulance. It was very clear. So I launched a Rotary International Global Grant Project to create an ambulance. And by May of 2023, just a year later, we were able to partner with a Rotary Club of Sunamagori, Kenya, and the Waxahachie Rotary Club to make that happen. Then Sam and I planned a new 2-story women's hospital to replace the sheet metal shack. We tore down that shack in March of 2022. Then we broke ground. We had a ceremony for prayer over the new project and set the cornerstone April 23rd of 2022. But we opened the new hospital only 11 months later. So we went from the old ways of doing business to the new age of safe maternal care. We also sat down and created a plan for a medical mission team guest house. And by May 30th, 2022, we had completed that phase and completed the entire project in April of 2023. Today, we've been renamed the RTC Mission Hospital since we're a Level 4 hospital now, with digital x-ray, 2 operating theaters. We have recovery rooms, expanded facilities, including a 6-bed kidney dialysis center, and we've become a 12-building campus. We would love to be able to continue the miracles that have continued to happen and grow this facility to serve some of the poorest people in Africa. Help us save lives and make a difference by contacting us at rtcmissions.org. We would appreciate your support, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video.